Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In my video today, I will be decorating the pages from January 8th through January 14th. It's already the second week of the year, and I don't know where you live, but where we are, it is freezing. I'm talking about snowstorms, and I can't. I don't love this part of winter because it's just so heavy as of right now, and as you could tell by the lighting outside, it's really gloomy because it's snowing right now. So because of that, I have chosen to use Elle plants set that I guess is called Baby It's Cold Outside because right now it's freezing. So I'll give you a quick look. These are the full boxes and some icons and labels, the washi and dates. Then we have some headers and boxes and checklists in here. So let's get this planning started. Okay, so let's start up placing the washi and the headers for the week, because as usual, I feel that this sets up the theme in my planner for the week. Alright, so how was your New Year's? What did you guys do? Leave me some comments. I love to see. You guys watch me and I always tell you what I'm doing, but I love to see what you guys are doing. So it will be awesome to hear from you guys. So leave me some comments at the bottom in the comment section so that I know what you guys did for New Year's. Me, we just had family. Well, I traveled a lot in December, but right now everyone has gone back. We have somehow gone back to normal schedule. The kiddo is back in school. I'm just taking care of the house stuff. I do have a couple of trips coming up and I have to prep for them, so that's what I'm doing right now. So leave me some comments, let me know what you guys are up to. And if you have, I don't set myself like resolutions, because I mean that just means that you have to wait for the beginning of the year to make resolutions. I just try to, I set myself goals that I need to accomplish. To accomplish those goals, that's what I work towards. So that's what I'm at right now. So let's see. Now we have these nice numbers here. Let's take today, before I forget, it's the 8th. Okay, so that's set. Let's place some checklists, because I usually, you know what, no, let's do our boxes. So because it's freezing, this Baby Is Cold Outside box is gonna go right over here. Okay, as per usual, let's do my weekly box. Let's do a header first, and let's place this box. Let's do another header. And do I have a habit tracker? Let's place my habit tracker right over here. It's a nice checklist of things. And I'll put this label, a reminder label. And as per usual, I am going to place 2 labels for my social media tracking. And that's perfect for my sidebar. Okay, so now I want to place glitter headers right on top of all of them. Okay, I like that. So now we're gonna place the to-dos either on top or at the bottom of the boxes. I am just experimenting. I want to see, you know, how things work out. Let's see. Now we could place our headers. Okay, let's see. So we have the full boxes. I usually don't want to put anything on my boxes, but like in this box I will do something depending upon what happens on that particular day, of course. But I usually like to have space for the one thing that needs to be done on any particular day, and that's what I like to use my half boxes for. And let's label that little things. Now for Saturday and Sunday, I'm not gonna label little things because those are the days that we usually do our family things. You guys proud of me? Oh my god, I didn't use my tweezers. Alright, now let's do my dinners. Put them right at the bottom. Actually, let's use this. Because this is usually space that I don't use, but why not use it for my meals, right? Okay, so now let's use some of these icons that we have here. I definitely, okay, this one workout right here. We have time to clean, that is usually on Saturday mornings. This is what I do. Then this first coffee on Monday. Well, she's drinking coffee there, so why not? We have, oh my goodness, my baby and I, we always have a mommy date, usually Saturdays, but you know, let's do it Friday this week, and I'm gonna make that my important thing for this week. And then my grocery shopping usually also happens on Saturdays. So let's use a flag for my workout. Then I love this laundry. And what I'm trying to do lately, you guys, I am trying to have a schedule for the videos that I'm posting. So I think for right now, I am trying to do it on Wednesday nights. On Wednesdays, I feel that after, you know, 9 o'clock, everybody is in bed. Everybody, as in like the kids are in bed, and this is kind of me time, so I could have a video go up for you guys to see on Wednesday nights. So we'll try that. Alright, so we'll have that video go up on Wednesday. I have these cute labels here, so I think I want to use the pink ones, and I'll place them right here just to symbolize what we're gonna do as a family on these days. Okay, now let's do my gym, because you know I must. Oh no, hold on a second. What? No gym stickers? Okay, I have a lot of these labels here, so what I'll do, I am just gonna place them randomly. I place my workout here, but I'm gonna use these for my workouts as well. I have built I am going to use these cuties from Sweet Kawaii Design, and of course I'm gonna get the pink ones because they're super cute. How cute do they look? Oh my god, you guys. Alright, this is my pre-planning for this week. Okay, and I'm sure as things come up, I will place my labels here. I will write them in. once they're solid, because as of right now this is just a pre-plan. Okay, so as per usual, I will post more pictures in my Instagram account. Don't forget to like this video and leave me your sweet comments in the bottom, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now.